Hi everyone, so welcome to part 2 of this video where we are discussing TD Power, and now we will get into the future growth of this company. So if you look at the portal, it is getting a very high score of 8.4, so this is a really good score, and if you see the score breakdown, it is hitting a high score on almost every element, right? So from the outside, it looks like things are going good for this company. So let's try to understand why is this score what it is, right? So what's really happening in this company is this company has expanded its capacity to potentially hit 2200 crore revenue in FY27, right? It is already on course to hit maybe 1800 crore revenue this year, as their unit 3 has ramped up through the financial year, and maybe it has become fully operational in December of 2025, right? So now we already know the demand is there, but now they have met the supply, they have fixed the supply constraint which was there in FY25 to potentially cater to this huge demand which we are seeing for their AC generators. They're also entering a new category in the 40 to 100 megawatt generator market. Now, this company has the production, the factories in Bangalore, right? But in Karnataka, but it also has a UK R&D center. Now, this company is investing in R&D as well, very maybe in the last couple of years, right? And it is order to engineered to order products, engineered to order products that it provides, right? So the good thing about this company is it's not just a commoditized manufacturer. It is spending in R&D. It is trying to enter new segments in their generator business. This UK design center also helps in the R&D related to the new segments which they are trying to enter, which is the traction motor and the electric motors, for which also they have won orders, right? So this is a great thing. And of course, we have an order visibility. Their order intake is amazing. It's export led. They just keep on getting orders. So there is some visibility to what might play out over the next couple of years, right? If you look at the growth catalysts, these are the top 3 growth catalysts. There was also the Turkey plant rerouting, which was considered, and the hydro story, with which they're also getting some they're also getting orders, which was considered. But the gas story and the AI story is kind of taking the limelight, and the generator story is kind of taking the limelight. So that's why I think the Turkey plant rerouting was a short-term mitigation for the tariff fiasco which happened. But these things are taking the limelight when it comes to TD Power, right? As I already mentioned, they built a unit 3. They bought some land. They built a unit 3 next to their already 2 units. And this has been ramping up throughout FY26. It has, I think it's already, our third plant is operational on 18 December, right? So now what we see is this company has the production capability to hit that 2200 number, 650 per quarter run rate, which they aspire to hit for FY27. AI data center grid stabilization demand, right? There is a huge demand for backed by AI for this captive gas-fired power for data center, right? The management has been mentioning that in the con calls, right? And their R&D UK facilities also trying to get into these specific generators for this AI, the AI, what do you call it? The market, the gas turbine market, right? Now, if you look at the scenario analysis, this is kind of what we're looking at. The base case says a growth of 22 to 25%, right? The unit 3 enables the company to fulfill its 2200 crores. So they have obviously also given a guidance which they have extended, and it looks like, yes, the facility is now in place to hit that run rate. They could hit a higher run rate, and they could hit a lower run rate as well. We have some explanations for those as well, but this is looking like a 20% compounding machine.